Do you sit at a computer all day? Not your fault if you do. That's where most of us have to do our work. But here's the problem. It's causing tech neck or text neck. And this is one of the most common spinal problems I see in the practice these days. People are coming in with a ton of what's technically called forward head posture, okay? Now, this can cause a lot of problems throughout the spine because normally your head, this big dome up here, weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. And when it sits right over your body, and your ear lines up with your shoulder, your hips, your knees, your ankle, you're in a very good ergonomic position, meaning your body doesn't have to work very hard to stay there. But when it starts to shift forward, because we're maybe looking at cell phones, scrolling, typing on a keyboard, driving our kids to soccer practice, when you're spending more and more time like this, it starts to get stuck like that, right? And so on average, I see people coming into the practice with 1 inch to 2 inches of forward head posture, and this is resulting in a lot of problems, not just stiffness and pain, but also things like headaches and migraines, numbness and tingling into the hands. And it actually goes even further than that because now when you start to have misalignments in the upper back and throughout the thoracic spine, that has a negative effect on your autonomic nervous system. And if you know anything about your autonomic nervous system, you know that it controls and coordinates really everything in your body other than your muscles, okay? And so it's really important that part of your body is working properly so it can make the rest of your body work properly. Now, when people come into the practice, we do some neurological evaluations, see if that's the case, see if there is a negative impact, but we're also doing postural evaluations and spinal alignment evaluations to see what can we do as corrective chiropractors to fix something like forward head posture. Now, I put a lot of exercise videos on our YouTube channel, so you can check out the playlists and learn more. And honestly, I put all the information in there on how you could potentially fix this issue at home. But the problem is, a lot of us can't get out of the problem, which is the 21st century problem. We all work in computers, we all live with these little mini computers in our pockets, and we're on our phones on average 4 hours for adults and 8 to 9 hours for teenagers. And I really believe that this condition, tech neck or forward head posture, is going to be a major issue in the coming years for our future generations because most children and teenagers and young adults are simply just not doing what is required for their body and their spine in terms of daily movement, stretches, exercises, and activations to keep your spine in alignment. So eventually when it comes out of alignment, you may be able to fix it with exercise, but it's very likely you're gonna need a little bit more than that. And that's where finding a great corrective care chiropractor can help with these issues. This is something I see results with every single day. And again, not just helping with things like neck pain, but also things like headaches, migraines, numbness and tingling, even shallow breathing and asthma. Okay, I've seen results with all those things just by working and correcting the alignment of the upper back. So simple trick you can do is just take a selfie from the side of yourself, or you can look at a straight line like your door frame, take a picture and see how does your ear, your shoulder, your hip, your ankle line up, right? If they're all in a line, you're probably pretty good. But if you have a trained eye the way I do, you might notice, hey, it's starting to move forward, right? A lot of times you'll see these muscles get really tight, these muscles get really tight, and that problem is somewhat easy to fix. And again, if you have this issue and you're not getting results with just the exercises and stretches alone, I seriously encourage you to consult with a corrective chiropractor who can make a difference in your life and get you back on track to living your best life possible. So if you're in the Boulder, Louisville, and Denver area and you've got this problem, which we got a lot of people around here working technology, working at lab benches who have this problem. They're dealing with it every single day and they're not really sure what to do because it's part of their work routine, right? But in a very short amount of time and with not that much time commitment, we can make that problem better, and I can teach you how to maintain that and keep yourself feeling its best self. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you got any issues, give us a call here at Koru Chiropractic.